Welcome students. Here I'll guide how I make 15% with non-directional option trading strategies course with a step-by-step guide to make a consistent monthly income trading options. Whether you are a beginner trying to generate 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, our workshop will definitely help you. Trading is such a unique and exciting way to generate income. We will teach you everything you need to know to be profitable. We will teach you how to make a consistent livable income with trading. If you have an internet connection and a laptop, you can place profitable trades anywhere in this world. The income potential is unlimited, provides the freedom to do whatever and whenever you want, which is priceless. Whether you intend to make part-time income or work your way out of a job, non-directional trading strategies is here to help. Here is what you'll learn from this course. How to make money trading 15 minutes per day. You don't have to be stuck on the computer the whole day. Set it and forget it. How to set up high probability trades and make money 85% of the time. Learn to define your risk. With the method of trading as per the workshop, you'll know exactly when to place a trade. It does not matter if the stock market crashes. You won't lose more than a predefined amount. You'll learn the exact steps to place the trades, analyze your trades, adjust your trades, and how to close your trades. You'll learn exactly how to place your trades. You'll learn how to make money if the market goes up, down, or sideways. Think about this. If you buy a stock, you can only make money when the stock goes up. What if you can make money when the stock goes up, down, or stays in a very specific range? With our 15% per month non-directional trading strategies, you will learn exactly how to accomplish this. You'll also learn the exact platform to use and efficiency and ease of use. Non-directional trading strategies teach you how to earn while you learn. Our price is less than the profit you make in your first trade. So what if you have no experience with the stock market? At first, some of the concepts may seem like a foreign language, but if you take the time to learn the non-directional trading strategies step by step, you'll learn in no time at all. Earning 15% per month is not difficult. It's a skill so easy to learn, and once you learn it, it's like driving a car. No big deal. We know you'll find tremendous value in the non-directional trading strategies workshop. Feel free to email me with any questions. Let's build a community of like-minded traders. Happy trading and happy money making. You excited? What are you waiting for? If you are as excited as I am to teach, click the link or the button below to enroll now. Enroll now to change your life forever. See you on the day of the workshop. Happy trading and happy money making.